everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the Ambilight themes on Philips D1 Smart TV. Once you have the TV turned on, you can use your controller and press Ambilight button at the top of the controller. It will open Ambilight style, and here you can choose which settings of the Ambilight you want. They are all different. I prefer standard. If you want to play music and make the Ambilight follow audio, choose between these options, and also you can choose one of these colors. And if you choose option support your theme, it will set colors of your local flag. Now press settings on your controller, open settings, choose option display and sound, bottom option Ambilight, and here you can choose support your theme flag. If you go to advanced, you can choose here the brightness of the Ambilight, saturation, select wall color behind the TV for best performance, and that's it. You can play with it. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.